Starting a YouTube channel can probably feel like a daunting task, but don't worry, we're here with you every step of the way. We're going to show you what it looks like to start your first Google account, YouTube channel, and how to set up all of your branding within it. Let's go ahead and get started now. Okay, so one of the first things that you're gonna need is a Google account to start your YouTube channel. So open your Chrome browser and let's go to the top right and start to create a new account. So we're gonna hit on add, or you can use one of your pre-existing ones and kind of ignore some of these steps, but we're gonna start from scratch right now. So we're gonna click add, and then we're gonna fill in all the information as needed. I'm just filling in things simply for this tutorial to help guide you along with it. So you're gonna need your first name, last name, those can be your real names, and then your username should be whatever you're representing in your brand, whether it is your actual name or if it's your business name. So go ahead and do that. Then you're gonna have to verify your phone number. Don't worry, once you fill in that information, make sure you have your phone next to you so you can get that code. It'll give you the code, and then you're gonna fill it in and you'll verify it that way. Then Google's gonna ask for a little bit more information, but what I do suggest is fill out that recovery email address. It has been a lifesaver. So make sure you can use either your personal email address. If you forget a password or something like that, you can always get access back to it through that recovery email address. Now, Google's gonna ask you if there's anything else that you wanna do with that number. I'm just skipping it. And then it's gonna ask you for the privacy and terms agreement. Go ahead and click that, and then sync. If you wanna do that, that's your choice. I'm gonna go ahead and skip it as well. And congratulations, you now have a Google account. So now we can go ahead and type in our YouTube address, www.youtube.com. And now you may be able to see at the top right-hand corner of the screen, we're gonna click that. We can see that our stuff is already in there. We're gonna hit create channel. And so the name of the channel, we're just keep Lid Media. And then you have the option to change your handle, which is how people will connect with you. And you'll see that green check mark to put whatever it is. So if your name is taken, it won't give you the green check mark. So we're just gonna type in Lid Media Tutorial, and successful. We can actually have that handle, and we're gonna create channel. All right, so you have now successfully created your own YouTube channel, either for your personal brand or for your business. You can now comment, like, and subscribe on other channels as well to show the algorithm whether you like that content or not. Welcome to the tutorial on how to subscribe to my channel. All you gotta do is you just click that little button down there. Just click on that. I'm watching you. Just right there. I'm gonna go now. Okay. Just kidding, I'm back. Click subscribe now. All right, so now you have your YouTube channel, and we want to customize it with your specific branding. So we're going to go at the top right again, customize channel, click on that, and you are going to go over to branding. We're going to click on that, and you have three options for your picture, banner image, and video watermark. I do suggest utilizing all of these. So for personal brands, we're going to click upload here, and I'm going to go over to my pictures, tutorial, and for personal brands, or if you are an influencer, you want to have like a headshot of something, and you can see over here you can just easily drag these, move it around, and click done, and that will put that on there. We're going to go to upload for our banner. Now this is a 2048 by 1152. You can easily create these images in Canva. So I'm going to go ahead and pop up my little banner, and this is something that you want your images to represent what your channel is about. So I have my little mock-up here of lid.media tutorials, clickable, searchable, watchable. So remember, you want all of your videos to do that. And you can see it says viewable on all devices, viewable on desktop, and then viewable on TVs. So it's good to optimize all that. This was just kind of a quick one that I set up, try to get that centered just a little bit, but this is just for tutorial sake. I'm going to click done on that, and you can see how it's kind of showing those images there. And our last but not least is our video watermark. Now this is something that I suggest transparent background on, did 200 by 200 pixels. And that should be good. And so you can see down there, it'll show that. And you have three options. You have end of video, so it'll only pop up at the end of the video, or customize start time, or entire video. I generally like to have that watermark there for an entire video. All right, so we have all those on there, and you can easily come back and change these at any time. But to make them active, and you can see this is where a profile picture would be, you have to click publish. again at the top right hand corner of the screen. All right, so now you can see that it is worked over here on the top left, and we can go view our channel and see how it looks. All right, so this is how our channel will look on the desktop. Wait, you're not done yet. You still have to fill out your basic information. Silly. All right, now we have all of our branding in and we can see what it looks like. We're gonna go back to the customized channel and we want to put in our basic information. So that's your channel name, your handle, which is, you know, how people will reach you, and then a description. So in this box, obviously you want to tell people what you're about, what your goals are, what you're trying to achieve, what your product does. This is also your channel URL so that you can link it to different things so people can see it. Like if it's on Instagram or something like that, you can add links. Email address for contact information. Same thing, likewise. I'm just going to put some random things in here and you would have to hit publish again, and then you are done. You have all the things that you need to start your YouTube channel. Now you can start creating content to upload to your channel to help grow your business. You want to create content that matters, and that means searchable, clickable, and watchable. All right, so what are you doing here? Go out there and start creating, tiger. Wait, you're not done yet. You still have to fill out your basic information, silly. Oh. This is so dumb. Wait, we're done now. We're done here. I said we're done here.